Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Doducool DA150 high-res wireless speaker. Now to get this out of the way, this speaker can currently be picked up for under $35 in the US or just under £32 here in the UK. So that to me would actually classify this as somewhat of a budget Bluetooth speaker. So taking a quick look around the speaker, both sides here are covered by a really nice mesh fabric in this grey colour as you can see here. You've got a nice soft touch plastic around the edge and a really sticky pad on the bottom here to stop it moving around or vibrating when it is actually on a table. You've got all the media buttons on the front here, and you do also have a handle which isn't necessarily the most useful thing, but if you do want to carry it around, it is at least going to be extremely strong so you don't have to worry about it. And then on the back you've got all of the I/O in terms of all your connections and inputs for the speaker itself. And with regards to the inputs, you've got a full-size USB Type A for any thumb drives, auxiliary input, and also a micro SD card slot. You've also got the on-off switch and the micro USB slot there to actually charge the speaker itself. The front has got all your media controls, so play, pause, skip track, and also increase or decrease volume. And for me, this is a little bit backwards because to increase the volume you actually need to hold down one of the buttons, so you can't really get that precise control, but to skip tracks you just press the button, which seems a little bit strange. But how does the actual speaker sound? Well, as always, I've set it up here with my microphone, so keep in mind guys that this is going to be coming from the Bluetooth speaker using Bluetooth from Spotify into my microphone, then being edited in this video and then going through YouTube's compression as well, so take it with a pinch of salt. I'm also going to start playing the track as it is, so a normal track, and then switch over to how it sounds coming from the speaker itself so you guys can see a little bit of the difference there to hopefully get across how the speaker sounds. So hopefully you can get a good idea in regards to how this speaker actually sounds, and I'll be completely honest, I was a little bit disappointed with the actual sound quality itself. There wasn't really too much bass, everything sounded really tinny, and there was also a little bit of distortion when listening to it at higher volumes. I also did try it out with some podcasts as well, and in regards to just the voice quality using this speaker, whether that's phone calls or podcasts as I mentioned, it doesn't necessarily sound that good. But as always with any sort of audio or sound test, it depends on whether you do or don't like that kind of sound. And that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you've got any questions or comments about this Bluetooth speaker or anything else on the channel, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. Don't forget to subscribe for more content moving forward, and once you are subscribed, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified anytime that I post a new video. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.